Hey there, landscape lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're discussing bamboo landscaping, a topic that's going to transform your outdoor spaces from ordinary to extraordinary. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling us your favorite landscaping tip. Bamboo is more than just a plant, it's a landscaping superstar that can completely revolutionize your garden, provide privacy, create stunning visual interest, and even help the environment. Let's explore some incredible ways to incorporate bamboo into your landscape design. First up, privacy screens. Bamboo is the ultimate natural fence. Clumping bamboo varieties like golden bamboo or black bamboo can create a dense, green barrier that blocks out neighbors and noise while adding a touch of exotic beauty to your yard. Pro tip: choose clumping varieties instead of running bamboo to prevent unwanted spread. Pro landscapers recommend planting them in large containers or using root barriers to keep them contained. Next, let's talk about bamboo as a focal point. Imagine a Zen garden with a carefully placed bamboo grove, or a modern landscape where a single, stunning bamboo specimen becomes a living sculpture. Different varieties offer unique colors and textures, from the bright yellow of golden bamboo to the deep, almost black stems of black bamboo. These plants can add incredible visual drama to any landscape. For smaller spaces, container bamboo is a game changer. Dwarf varieties like dwarf Buddha belly or fernleaf bamboo are perfect for patios, balconies, or small gardens. They provide that lush, tropical feel without taking over your entire yard. Pro designers often use these in modern minimalist landscapes, creating clean lines and a sense of tranquility. Water features and bamboo? A match made in landscape heaven. Imagine a small bamboo fountain or a water feature surrounded by bamboo plants. The sound of water combined with the rustling of bamboo leaves creates a sensory experience that'll make your outdoor space feel like a luxury retreat. Bamboo isn't just beautiful, it's eco-friendly too. These plants are incredible at preventing soil erosion, absorbing carbon dioxide, and providing habitat for wildlife. They grow incredibly fast and can be a sustainable alternative to traditional landscaping materials. Let's talk about maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, bamboo isn't as high maintenance as you might think. With the right variety and proper care, these plants can be relatively low maintenance. Regular pruning, occasional fertilizing, and managing their spread are all it takes to keep your bamboo looking spectacular. Some bonus design ideas: use bamboo as ground cover in shaded areas, create bamboo walkways, or mix different varieties for a layered, textured landscape. The possibilities are endless. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite bamboo landscaping idea? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more landscaping tips, tricks, and inspiration. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Until next time, happy landscaping!